Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks so much for coming back for another video. And this video is going to be the second part of how to use social media as a creative from my point of view and how I go about using it. So with social media in this part, we're going to talk about the benefits of it. The benefits of using social media, I have to say, first off, it's one where you're able to connect with other people, and also it will help you in regards to developing more passion and confidence for your work, and that's what it has helped me. And also it will help you learn how to connect with others in regards to networking and whatever niche you're in. So for me, as you all know, it's graphic design and calligraphy. And calligraphy, I've met so many people that are into calligraphy, lettering, and that has helped me develop another level of confidence, and also another level of confidence, and to be more passionate about my work, and to not feel as if I'm not good enough, and also to control like the imposter syndrome that plagues so many of us. And the third thing I have to say, it allows you to express yourself and really just put it out there and create an audience of like-minded individuals. Because the thing about social media and just the internet in general, anything that you can imagine, whether good or bad, there's somebody out there interested in. The craziest thing you could think of and the weirdest thing of, there's something out there for it. And a good example is Reddit. There's a subreddit for everything, whether it's the nicest, most heartwarming thing you could think of, down to the most, whoa, that is weird. So that is just a few things that I have to say like the benefits are. And don't be afraid to use social media, and don't be afraid to connect and grow an audience, because recently I watched a video. I'll put it in the description, hopefully I'll remember to. Below this video is from Chrisdo, if I'm saying his name correctly. He has a agency out in LA, and he was talking about it's better to have an audience over customers. And it's the truth. Just think about the companies out there that have audiences compared to the ones that just have customers. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thanks so much for coming back for another video, and if you have not done so yet, make sure to subscribe. Also like the videos. I don't really say that a lot in my videos, but I want it to be up to you. And I have another video coming out. It'll be out June for Wednesday. It'll be explaining. You'll have to see. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.